Welcome to DH Garden Centre in Kitsilano, Vancouver, Canada. Here, we offer exquisite handcrafted ceramic products made in renowned villages in Vietnam. Each piece, from plant pots to decorative items, is crafted with love and traditional techniques, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Vietnam. Come visit DH Garden Centre to experience the uniqueness and elegance of Vietnamese ceramics right here in Kitsilano. And now, let's take a tour of a beautiful corner of the store. Come and admire the exquisite ceramic pieces, rich in Vietnamese culture, and find the perfect items to enhance your living space.